Oh, hey. Did you get the whole block? Good. Let's keep it moving. Oh, this is my pumpkin. I just found it here. Let's go. Thank you. Come on, Vader. Come on. They decided to get smart. I can't control these kids. I don't know. What, Vader? What, the hedge? It's probably just a squirrel. Come on. Come on, Vader. We should get going. This is our third town that we've trick-or-treated in. You have enough candy. We've taken every bit of candy from like every town in this county. Well, of course I got some candy. What do you mean I'm too old to go trick-or-treating? You were never too old, mister. Let me tell you something. Even if they say you are too old to trick-or-treat, I gotta put up with you all day. And so do all of these parents in America. They go out on Halloween with their kids from house to house, town to town, all day. They deserve a little bit of candy. And not for nothing, I tried a little bit, okay? Just saying, Vader. You find a loophole in the system, you take advantage of it. And really, Vader, we have enough candy to last us till next Halloween. So if we have a little too much, we could sell some of this back. Hey, you didn't get enough candy trick-or-treating? Well, come on over and get more. It'll be more at the store. It's a pretty good tagline, huh? Now, come on. Now, come on, it's getting dark. We really need to get home. Yeah, I know a shortcut through that alleyway. Let's go. Yes, Vader, I'm sure this is the way. Because I remember that house. Come on. There's nothing to be scared of. Scared of the dog? What you waiting? Yes, I'm sure, Vader. The car's that way. What? No, Vader. I'm way too tired. All right, and it's also Sunday. Football's on. I want to catch some of that. Fine. The last few houses on this block and then come to the car. Don't take all night. Can't believe I'm leaving you by yourself again. I've been sitting in the car for 15 minutes now. What do you got your lightsaber out for? Did you see the boogeyman or something? You've been a scaredy cat all day. Come on. Let's go to the car. I'm wasting gas. Now, come on. Let's go watch some Sunday Night Football. Come on. Oh, Vader, there was nothing there. You're tweaking all day.